This 2024 Grand Design Solitude 310GK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 35 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 4, spare tire kit, stovetop burner, external shower, air conditioning, TV, smoke detector, awning, microwave, skylight, oven, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, rear entertainment, rear kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Solitude 310GK is 13,324 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.